In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the board ID in Jira, whether you're setting up integrations or just trying to navigate the Jira platform more effectively. Knowing your board ID can be a crucial piece of information. I'll guide you through the steps to find it quickly and easily, ensuring that you can spend more time focusing on your tasks and less time digging through settings. Let's start by heading over to your Jira homepage. Open up your internet browser and enter the URL for your Jira instance. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This is your central hub where you'll be able to access all your projects and boards. Familiarizing yourself with this page is always a good idea if you're working with Jira frequently. The next step is to navigate to the specific project you're interested in. On your homepage, you'll see a list or a grid of your projects. Click on the project that contains the board for which you want to find the ID. Projects in Jira are where a lot of the action happens, so this should look familiar if you've been working in the platform. After clicking on your chosen project, look for an option or tab labeled Board. This is typically found in a navigation menu near the top of the page. Clicking on Board will take you to the board view of your project, where you can manage and visualize your tasks and workflows. Now let's focus on the URL in your browser's address bar. This is a key part of finding your board ID, so bring your attention to it. The URL will look something like this: https://yourcompany.jira.com secure rapidboard.hspa rapidview123 Here, the critical part to notice is the rapid view parameter within the URL. This is exactly where your board ID is located. The number that follows rapid view is your board ID. In our example, it's 123. It's really as simple as that. Remember to jot down this number if you need to use it for configuration or support issues. If you have multiple boards, each will have a unique ID, so you may want to keep a reference list if you're regularly switching between different boards. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to find the board ID in Jira. This single piece of information can be incredibly useful, especially when you're integrating Jira into other tools or automating workflows. I hope this guide has made the process easy and clear for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on using Jira and other software tools efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.